frost is thinning from the ancient eaves. The sap is climbing through the hidden leaves. I carried seeds within a winter coat. Now they're a chorus in a wider note. The soil is softer than it was before. An elemental hand is at the door. I hear the thawing in the creek bed's rush, turning the silence to a violet blush. This is the harvest of the long delay, a sapling reaching for the breaking day. No longer weather's sting, I'm learning how to bloom, I'm learning how to sing. I'm learning how to sing, to trust the root, to follow where it leads, to become the forest that was promised in the seeds. This is the bloom and I'm standing in my place. This is the new era and I'm ready for the grace. The season doesn't ask me to be evergreen. It only asks me to inhabit what is seen. Every ring I grew is a lesson I have won. Every branch I shed is a choice I have done. The grove is wider than the clearing I knew. Every change in weather brings an angle that is new. Nourishment and light, the life ahead is calling me. A slow and certain blooming in a quiet pedigree. This is the harvest of the long delay, a sapling reaching for the breaking day. No longer weather's sting, I'm learning how to bloom, I'm learning how to sing. I'm learning how to sing, to trust the root, to follow where it leads, to become the forest that was promised in the seeds. This is a bloom and I'm standing in my place. This is the new era and I'm ready for the grace. Not an ending, but a season's turn. Not a finish line, but the fire in the fern. Just a wider sky where the dreams take root. Learning how to fly, learning how to fruit. This is the bloom, the era I've been growing toward. Every winter frost is a wisdom-giving hoard. Every lesson learned is a nutrient in the soil. Purpose and grace born from the seasonal toil. The future is green and it's finally breaking through. I'm stepping in place, I'm stepping into place, and the bloom is true. This is the new era and I will not be afraid. A new era, a new spring has begun.